Want to sleep like this, but struggling to find a good sleep? Learn how yoga can be your solution. As we age, sleep can become an elusive struggle. Many of us find that the lack of quality sleep leads to fatigue, irritability, and even severe health problems, making everyday activities harder and less enjoyable. Relying on medication often causes unwanted side effects, leaving us frustrated and desperate for a natural, effective solution. In this video, I'll show you how simple yoga practices have helped me achieve a deep, restorative sleep and how you can use them for yourself to find the restful nights that you've been longing for. Studies show up to 50% of older adults experiencing insomnia. Common factors include lighter, shorter sleep cycles, medical conditions such as arthritis and chronic pain affecting 80% of all adults over 65. Yoga is becoming a go-to solution for seniors seeking better sleep, and it's backed by various studies. A study of clinical psychology found that regular yoga can reduce cortisol levels by up to 31%, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Another study showed that seniors who practice yoga experience a 55% improvement in overall sleep quality and 38% reduction in the time it took to fall asleep. By incorporating simple poses and breathing exercises, you too can achieve the deep sleep you need. There are a few different yoga routines that you guys can follow to help you fall asleep. First and foremost, start to develop a meditation practice. Now I can see so many of you guys rolling your eyes. Oh my God, here he comes with that hippy dippy meditation, or, oh, I can't do meditation. Look at, all of you guys can sit on a chair. You can sit on a chair and close your eyes and be still for 2 minutes. Look at, if you can't sit with yourself for 2 minutes, how the heck do you expect anybody else in your life to be able to sit with you for 2 minutes? So learn to sit with yourself, but also learn to be still while you're doing your meditation practice just for 2 minutes. Start to practice deep breathing. Take longer breaths in, exhales out. Inhale in, exhale out. Another fantastic yoga pose to practice to help you fall asleep is a pose called crocodile pose or makrasana. Now, crocodile pose is a wonderful pose because it helps you to breathe diaphragmatically, and the positioning of the pose draws more blood to the back of the lungs, which is so cool, and thereby oxygenating our blood. One of the reasons why we breathe erratically is because our body is not getting sufficient oxygen. So crocodile pose is a wonderful way to not only begin learning how to breathe properly, but also to fully oxygenate our blood. Another great pose is called Vritti Karani, or legs up the wall. Now this wonderful pose is such a great pose because it will teach you how to get your legs up the wall. I have a wonderful variation called instant Maui. And instant Maui is a great variation of Vritti Karani. We will release a video very shortly in the future about instant Maui because of its wonderful healing effects. And lastly, the most important thing that you want to start doing is doing some relaxation practices. Relaxation practices are a huge game changer. Do it as a practice before you actually get into bed. I highly suggest doing it on the floor. Put your relaxation practices on, or just lie down and do some deep breathing again and do a body scan. allow each part of your body to relax. I promise you, this will change the course of your sleeping patterns and help you to have a deeper and more fuller sleep. The last recommendation that I have for you to sleep better is get in the habit of turning off all your devices. Turning off all your devices is going to change your sleeping patterns dramatically. Put your phone in airplane mode or turn it off. Before I go to bed every night, I put my phone in a different area of the house and I put it in airplane mode as well. So not only do I put it in a different space, but I also put it in airplane mode. This is such a great habit because what it will start to do is turn off that part of your brain also that is attached to the phone. By turning it off, you'll also start to turn off that part of your brain that is obsessed with worrying about what's going on in the outside world. And that will help you, believe it or not, to have a deeper and fuller sleep. I also highly suggest turning off all your electronics. How often do we fall asleep with the TV on? Oh my God. One of the worst things to come out of all of the inventions in the last century is the TV. So many people fall asleep with the TV on and it really disrupts your sleep. So please turn your TV off at least at half an hour to an hour before you go to bed. Believe me, it will change the course of your rest forever. I would love to hear from you guys if you have any comments about what you use to fall asleep. What do you use to help you have a more restful night? Is there any tips that you want to offer? Maybe some warm milk or other things like that. Please remember to also share this video. I'm sure that people who are not sleeping well and that can really benefit from this information. Remember to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and also hit that notification bell so you always receive updates whenever I share amazing secrets on how you guys can live your best life. Namaste, my friends. Have a super wonderful day.